Corporation Rostec, has finished developing the Ptitselov, birdcatcher, anti-aircraft missile system for airborne units. The system is expected to replace SA-13 Gopher Strela-10M air defense systems in service with the Russian armed forces. The latest short-range anti-aircraft missile system Ptitselov was developed by the Tula Instrument Design Bureau. The Ptitselov can destroy air targets at a distance of up to 10,000 meters and an altitude of up to 5,000 meters. It was developed for the airborne forces and can be dropped with a parachute or delivered by a helicopter to the rear of the enemy. Its purpose is to protect the paratroopers from aircraft, drones and cruise missiles. This complex was built on the chassis of a BMD-4M amphibious assault vehicle. The weight of the BMD-4M is 13.6 tons, the speed on the highway can reach 70 km per hour, in water, 10 km per hour. The BMD-4 features the Advanced Fire Control System. The Advanced Fire Control System provides a significant increase of the system effectiveness. It is capable of destroying a wide scope of targets in difficult weather and landscape conditions. The birdcatcher can effectively fire at low and slow aerial targets, such as drones. Optoelectronic equipment has day and night channels with stabilization, and is also equipped with a laser rangefinder target designator. The data from the optics is fed into the weapons control system, which calculates data for firing and guiding the missile. The intelligent control of this air defense missile system will process the incoming signals and identify targets. Ptitselov will be able not only detect, but also distinguish between aircraft, helicopters, UAV, and missiles, increasing combat effectiveness. Work is carried out in automatic or semi-automatic mode. Air targets of the aircraft type are detected and taken for escort at ranges up to 30 kilometers. The automatic air defense system directs the laser at the target and guides the missile at it. The complex will receive its area of responsibility, a sector and a range of altitudes. It can automatically monitor the area, detect targets, and fire missiles. Ptitselov was developed for use of the 9M340 Sosna combat module. Sosna systems have a modular design, the components of which can be installed on various carriers. Sosna combat module is armed with Sosna R missiles. The 9M337 Sosna R, Russian for Apine, is a radar and laser-guided supersonic, Mach 2.6, two-stage missile. The Sosna R guided missile with a solid propellant engine can reach speeds of up to 900 meters per second steered by a laser beam and can fly at altitudes between 2 meters and 5,000 meters. Two missile launchers, with 6 transport launch containers each, are located on sides of the turret. The missile is equipped with 2 warheads. One is a direct hit type. In case of a miss, a fragmentation warhead is equipped with a proximity fuse. The total mass of 2 warheads is 7 kilograms.